Hey guys, and welcome back to another day's video. Today I wanted to play a little bit of Kirby All-Stars. Superstar. Anyways, same thing. But I wanted to try to get some stuff that I haven't gotten done yet. Like Samurai Kirby. For me, it's a little hard. See, DDD's easy. I don't recommend this if you are sensitive to flashing lights. You have Kawasaki, Tai, got him. Let's go. Okay. Let's see if I can beat King DDD. Less than 16 milliseconds. Let's try that again. From the very beginning. I almost pressed it before time. It's easy so far. The later stages, it just becomes crazy. I need to get less than 16 milliseconds. How is King DDD that fast? Okay. Remember, if you're ever trying to find my gamer tag, it either has something to do with Mario or has my name in it, which is Malachi, of course. Dang, I forgot. I'm thinking about doing a new no movement challenge soon. At least no walking or running. Or flying. Boom! Waldo, we need to come over here real quick. Let's follow this guy so that I become Bomb Kirby. I can throw bombs. Woo! Hyper jump. Bam! Don't make me. Bam, 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 bam. Aha! Drown. Bombs! Yeah. Or Worcestershire sauce. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Boo! Go put that on. I'll do. There we go, what'll do. Ow. Thank you. We'll put that on as well, what'll do. I want to be... Get in my belly! Boom! Missed the real treasure! I keep on missing. Oh, hold on, what's up here? Nothing. Okay, got it. Yes! Up! No! It's diagonally. No! Yeah! No! I wanted to whisper. But, hold on. I will get it eventually. I'm going to get it. I'll probably edit out much of the struggle. Yeah, no! Yeah, no! Nope, that was off guard. Nope. Blast up! No! I mean, it was up, but not where I wanted it. Yes! A yo that is not gay. He simply spat it in his mouth. Kirby is not a guy. Somebody get in my belly. Ow. For that, get in my belly. Yep, dead through the wall. Worcestershire! Worcestershire! Worcestershire sauce. Run, 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 run. What a great hell I have released! I got hit in the butt. I wanted to try this and then I got bored, so let's try a different game. Okay. Comment down below what you want me to play. Because I want to keep you guys happy. I don't want to be a failing YouTuber because I'm not doing what people find interesting. So Surgeon Simulator CPR. Beep, 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 beep. Boom. I like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah. Twitchity. Okay, let's go to operations. This is quite a bloody game, but it'll be fine for kids over 10 years old. Double kidney transplant. I need help doing this because I don't know what the fudge I am doing when it comes to a double kidney transplant. Do I, saw my way into it? Or, what do I do? Well, I have saw. I'm just gonna shove that in there. Oh, by the way, I'm not a professional doctor. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm hoping I just dislodge something. And then the kidneys come out. He's losing blood fast. Dang it. I'm not injecting myself with the thing. Okay, I go to the spoon. Grab the needle. Grab the needle. Don't inject yourself with it. Just grab it. Grab it. Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Grab it. No. No. Okay, I need you. Well, since I can't stop him from bleeding, try doing this as fast as possible. And no, this is not a tutorial on how to play the game. Okay. Hold on, it looks like I can make an incision right over there, so I'm gonna make an incision right over there. Give me a knife. It's probably hard to see, but I think I might have found where I can make an incision. Bam, 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 bam. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Yes. I don't think I need that knife anymore. Ah, yes. He doesn't need his intestines. He'll live without it. He can. He'll have. Well, I found the kidneys. The problem is I don't know how to get to them. I think I might still need that knife. Okay, I'm not gonna cut myself, but yes, the patient is losing blood. I'll be fine! Listen. I may not be a professional doctor, but Bob, he's going to be fine. Bob is going to be fine. He's not gonna die. I'm not gonna let him die. And if he does die, he's not getting his money back. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, Bob ran the risk of getting his insides completely wrecked by a maniac. So. Six milliliters per second? Oh no! What shall I ever do? Yep, drop the knife inside the patient. That's always the best thing to do. No, do not use this for informational purposes. This is for entertainment. This is purely for entertainment only. Oh, there goes one of the kidneys. I need to reach in there and grab that. Come on, get the kidney. Grab the kidney. Kidney. Okay, well, the kidney's not coming out. Wait, hold on, I think I grabbed it. I got the kidney! Goodbye. Well, good thing he's not in the thousands yet, so. I mean, yeah, like the 1000s. Reach my hand in there, juggle the knife around a little bit. Don't drop the knife in the body. We already had that situation. We don't need it again. Currently puncturing all the others because it's fun. Ah, yes. Just jiggle that around in there. And by the way, I am a maniac, so. Come on, just hold it. Hold it real tight. I think my person might be really weak, but okay. Anyways. Where is the other? I think I might need this. I think I finally found out why I need this thing. Let it out. Ah, yes! Ah! Yes, finally! Precision cutting machine. Help me kill this man faster. Ah, yes. He did not die to the lack of blood. He died to the lack of not listening. Pull that piece of the intestines out. Yeah, see? If it was the blood, then it wasn't my fault. Because he wasn't listening. It wasn't brutal murder. You know what? I'm bored again, so. Because it said I ultimate chicken arsa. Ha, 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 ha. I am really weird and cringy. That's why you shouldn't watch me. You do, you're cringy as well. Okay. So, shout out goes to... Never mind. Apparently they didn't want a shout out. Okay. The shout out goes to... The party goes to... Yeah, hold on. Metal Plant Challenge. Oh well. The shout out of the day goes to... Oh, wait, hold on. You need a black hole. Bro, how many black holes do we need? Not enough. Goes to whoever the blue sheep is. They are really good. As they fall into the black hole. Refranda Cube. I think that's how you say your name. You get the shout out of the day for playing with me. Yeah, Refranda Croup. I really hope that's how you say your name, or else I'm gonna sound so dumb. Okay, you may have gotten it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! Well, we both got murmured. The farm is where we're going. Refranda Croup. Multi-jump. Hey, babe. Extras. Ooh, teleport there. One, two. Go. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Yas, queen. Ooh, a pyro. Don't mind if I do. Oops, that's gonna leave him on. No! Whee! Congratulations, Profana Crew. MF something something something. Ah, yes. Ooh, yeah, stoplight. Road safety laws are a real thing. They exist. I think we might have just made the most impossible. I jumped. How did they avoid road safety laws? Need to stop them further with more road safety laws. More road safety laws. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. I am seriously trying not to die here. Ooh. No one wins. I think we actually made this impossible. So props to us. Yeah, this actually kind of sucks. You won't actually be able to beat our own level. Open that door, see what happens. Friend crew. Are we shielded while we do that? Oh my god. No! Friend crew! No! Yes, bomb. Mine. Boom! What the heck? Whoa! I need a nuke. Guess where the nuke's gonna go? Right the frick here. Boom! Yeah, that's just going to exist there. One, two. Too easy. No points. Really sad. Aha, I took Flower Girl. And she's angry. Yeah! Yeah! More Flower Girl. She's ready to kick some... She's ready to kick some butt. Huh? You took my bomb! Somehow I'm still alive. Never mind. Well, I think that will be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. I love you all very much. Thank you.